The Zonesun ZS-AFC1CH is a compact automatic filling and cap pressing machine equipped with a pressurized hopper and piston pump. Designed for viscous or hard-to-flow liquids such as pastes, honey, and shampoo, it ensures smooth and even material feeding under pressure. Running at 20 to 50 bottles per minute, it integrates filling, capping, and bottle discharge in one rotary turntable design. With its space-saving structure, customizable parameters, and compatibility with desktop labelers, it provides efficient, reliable, and cost-effective performance for small to medium-scale production lines in the daily chemical and cosmetics industries.